Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Hester Wilson. I'm a GP working in Central and Eastern Sydney PHN area, and I also work as an addiction specialist in South East Sydney Local Health District. This package has been put together by the Local Health District, Drug and Alcohol Services, Mental Health Services, and put on the PHN, Central and Eastern Sydney PHN website for us as GPs to access. There's some really great stuff on there. There's some training, and if you look on the site, Matilda Centre and Insight, which is a Queensland group, have done some brilliant training directed specifically at us as GPs. As well, there's a whole list, and we've spent quite a lot of time putting this stuff together, looking through the resources and what's available out there for us to support our patients. So a group of us looked through, searched the internet, found the different things that were available, had a look through them to see how useful they would be. And so now you've got a list there which is up on the PHN website with the different services that are available. The things that are included there, things like what are the actual resources? Is it online? Is there telephone? And what are they actually addressing? Is there any registration required? Does it cost anything? And are clinicians available as well? So that there might be resources that we can access ourselves or that we can point our patients to for them to actually access the help that they need. So this is on the internet, it's on the website, it's freely available to anybody that wants to access it. Look, I think this has been put together with a focus on healthcare professionals. But look, just looking at it, it is something that is readily accessible for the general public as well. What I would say though is that if you're thinking that you need that support, I would actually encourage somebody from the general community, whether it be a carer or an individual that's seeking support, that they actually check in with their GP and make sure that what they're looking at is the best possible support option for them. Because sometimes these things can be a bit complex as an individual to work out what it is that you need. And we know that people who are struggling with mental health and drug and alcohol issues really do benefit from having healthcare workers supporting them and helping them to find the best support structures and the best treatment for the conditions that they're facing. What we are aware of is that for us as GPs, there's lots we need to keep up to date with, and there are lots of different places that we can go to get that education. We know that there are some GPs who lack confidence in terms of particularly drug and alcohol, helping their patients with drug and alcohol issues, and also working out if there is mental health and drug and alcohol together, that comorbidity, that does make assessing and managing our patients a little trickier. So on the website here, there are links particularly to the Matilda Centre, which is at Sydney Uni, and they have training there which is specifically in comorbidity. They have guidelines, they have training, they have supports. As well, there's a team in Queensland called Insight, and they do the same thing as well. So it's drug and alcohol, mental health, comorbidity. There's some great resources there, not only training, but also health practitioner and patient resources. So if you go on to the Central and Eastern Sydney PHN website, you can see the training that is available there through those options.